What to do if you're Canadian trying to get business visitor status in the US? As Canadian, you're not required a visa to travel to the US, but there's some specific rules you need to understand when you're going to the US on business purpose. So when you're going to the US on your business purpose, the immigration officer, CBP, will ask you the reason of your visit. It's important to make sure that you don't use the word work when you're going to the US as a business visitor. If you use the word work, that will raise a red flag and your entry might be denied as a visitor. So it's important when you're going as a visitor to explain clearly the purpose of your trip. There's some specific duties that you can do as a business visitor in the US. You could go there for meetings, you could go there to consult with colleagues, could go there to attend a conference, or you could go there for research. So it's really important to be specific on the reason why you're going to the US. If you're going for a purpose that is listed as a business visitor, you need to list that purpose and avoid the word work. You should not mislead the immigration officer. You should be truthful and honest about your purpose in the US. If you're not honest and truthful, that could be really dire for your immigration application to the point that you could be banned in the US. So it's really important, if you're traveling to the US as a business visitor, that you understand what your duties will be in the US and that you explain clearly to the immigration officer what you'll be doing during your trip. Another recommendation is to also bring a business invitation letter prepared by your employer, or maybe proof that you're attending a conference. That could really assist the CBP with making a determination on the reason of your entry. Also, a good idea is to bring proof of ties with Canada. So confirmation of employment, confirmation that you own land, if you're renting, your lease agreement, to show that you intend to return to Canada after your trip. If you need help with your business travel, reach out to Alphonse Law.